Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you merge all of those images into a single PDF. For this purpose, you need to use this FPDF library from Python. And now, how can you install it? You can install it using the pip. So I can show you the code. Pip install FPDF. I have already installed this library into my function, so I don't need to install it. You just need to hit the command and install this library. Now let's come to the coding part. So first you need to import OS module. You need to import from this FPDF import FPDF, right? Just create an instance from FPDF. Now first grab the all the images. So path you choose, the path of a folder is that here is the folder, here is the path. So I guess and you using I'm using the window. So I need to so backslashes. So you can see here is the first element is the Python script, another is the images. So just you can remove the first instance. Our file images contains only the file names, right? Just utilize the FPDF instance library. And how can you utilize that for images in file names? So PDF.image at 8 pages, PDF.image file name, that is the image. You have X, Y, W, Z variable, but I will show you the value of these, right? Finally, export it out. Just hit the command and wait for the output. I have only 3 images, so it won't take much time to export to merge these images into a single PDF. Okay. Meanwhile, I can explain the code and see the output is see here is the merged PDF, right? Thanks a lot, guys. This is the video that how can you merge these images into a single PDF.